Hi, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and today I'm going to be talking about the best rugged tablets under $300 this year. And the rugged tablets that are under $300, well, guess what? We have the Panasonic Toughpad FZG1 MK3. It's just under $300. It comes with everything you would expect. It's fully rugged, touchscreen obviously, has a stylus that's digital so that you can get signatures. It also has the upgrade slot, which if you know the FZG1, here's the upgrade slot. What you can add there is like an extra USB port, a NIC port, a barcode scanner, sorry about that, barcode scanner right there. There's also on the back here, you can put a smart card reader that can upgrade back here, as well as a card reader that would swipe. So if you wanted to take credit cards. The X strap is swivel actually, watch this. You can just put it in and this thing swivels around. It's a great option, even for you prepper guys in your bug out bag. This fits nice and it weighs like maybe 1.5 pounds. Very lightweight, carry around with one hand. Batteries, you can get the extended battery. It sticks out a little bit extra on the back, but it gives you exceptional battery life. The standard battery still is good, but you only get about 2 to 3 hours out of it. The extended battery, expect up to 8 hours. So they're also easily changeable. One latch and you've got the battery off and you can pop a new one in. Great option if you don't have access to electricity. There's also the ability to put a broadband card in here so that you have a Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, your carrier of your choice. You can have internet anywhere you go. So this one's under $300. Now, if you knock that down a notch to the MK2, that one is under, believe it or not, $200. It looks just like this one. The processor is still an i5. It's just one generation below it. It still has everything that I just talked about. Digital stylus, same thing with the battery, same with the upgrades. Everything is the same. In fact, it looks just like this MK3. But that one is under $200. And then if you really want to save money, go down to the MK1, still an i5 processor, one generation older processor, but it does the exact same thing, still has the webcam, the camera on the back, battery, everything I've talked about in the MK3 comes in the MK1. So any price points you are on a rugged tablet, we got it for you. Another nice feature is these buttons here. I don't know if you can see these, but you have programmable buttons on this tablet, volume control, and then here's your Windows key. And then you can rotate the screen with this button here. So if you're looking at it like this, or if you want to turn it like this, it'll auto rotate for you as well. But you can also force it to rotate if you need to. Nice tablet. That's all I got for you on this thing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like this video, leave me some comments. I want to know what you think about the FZG1, and I'll see you guys next week.